Um, this is Toyota Yaris. We had the problem of misfiring on cylinder number 1. So we do all the tests, we check the wiring, and the wiring was okay. And then we took out the computer box. And then what we found here is the resistor. I changed the resistor. Let me show you the resistor. There it is. We changed this resistor. We changed this one. This one is the one which was not okay, the one which was caused the car to misfire. And then to test the resistor, if you want to see it, is it okay or fine? And then let me see, the one which I took out from the computer box is this one. Let me show you. This is my multimeter. I want to do my test. When you do like this on the resistor, let me show you. You see, you put the multimeter on the diode position to test it, the readings. So there we go. I want to test the readings. Sorry, it's just a small part, small resistor. This is the resistor. You see, it's not doing anything. It's not reading nothing. Okay, let me go to other resistors on the computer box, the ones which are okay. You see, like this one is on cylinder number 1, the second one cylinder number 2, the third one cylinder number 3, the fourth one is cylinder number 4. So let me show you how to test these resistors. You see, like now, you see it's reading 101. The one I put now, you see it's reading 098. The other one is reading. It means these ones are okay. This one, it was not reading. So we couldn't manage to get the pulse on this wire. The pulse, the one which make this coil to spark. So we couldn't manage to get the pulse. So now it's okay. So let us plug our computer box and then test the car. Make photos while I'm plugging it. Okay, can you start the car? Yeah, now it's working. You see, it's working now. We had problem on cylinder number 1. Can you rev it a bit? Rev it. Okay, it's fine.